Elizabeth Wettlaufer, the Woodstock nurse charged with 8 counts of first-degree murder and 6 other charges involving long-term care patients, was here in Woodstock today to make her first Superior Court appearance after waiving her preliminary hearing earlier this month. The appearance was brief. She was brought in handcuffs and leg irons and stood in the prisoner's box, peering out at the family members who had assembled here. What happened here today is that there has to be a judicial pretrial. We're in the baby steps of the process now. Even though this has gone at a relatively quick speed, the lawyers are now meeting with the judge for a pretrial, and we will be back on May 12th for the case to be spoken to before we return again on June the 1st. Outside the courtroom, family members and friends of some of the people who died in this case had some comments to make.
I think it went well. It's moving forward in a rapid manner, which we're very pleased at, quite faster than we thought it would. And the longer it takes, the harder it is for all of us. And I think that until this matter is completely spoken to and she is found guilty and sent to jail or sent to prison, that we'll all be able to begin the steps of healing. Until that happens, it's just an open wound for all of us. I was basically disgusted because she showed literally no remorse. She almost had a smug look on her face, and she kind of like stared us down. So it's just, it is what it is. And like I said, we've said together, the only way we're going to get through this is together.
And I think, if nothing else, I found a new family as well as my biological family. I now have Susan, I now have Laura, and everyone that at work, that we've all bonded together to make sure that this kind of thing never ever happens around us, ever.
Wettlaufer will not be brought here in person next time. It will be a video appearance on May 1st, and then we will start the process until we get a trial date. For the London Free Press, I'm Jane Sims.